Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain chapter number 1 from Moment book, that is The Lost Child. Lost Child is the story of a little child, and this story tells us about the importance of parents in a child's life. In the story, a little child set out with his parents to a village fair. On his way to the fair, he saw many things, and in the fair, he saw toy shop, sweet shop, balloon seller, and many more things displayed in stalls. The child was often left behind because those things attracted him very much and he wanted to have them. His parents had to call him again and again every time. He requested his parents to buy him anything, but his parents did not buy him anything. He stopped where the snake charmer was playing his flute to a snake. Finally, he watched the people going round and round in a roundabout. He could not help asking for a joy ride. He called out to his parents, but got no reply. He looked on all sides, but there was no sign of them. The child got panic and started crying. He ran in all directions, wailing and calling father, mother, but he did not find them anywhere. Next, he ran towards the temple to look for his parents in a huge crowd. He could have been trampled under feet if a kind man had not lifted him in his arms. The man asked who was he and why he was crying. The man tried to quieten him, but the child continued crying for mother and father. In order to quieten the child, the man took him to the snake charmer. But the child shut his ears. He turned his eyes away from the balloons, sweets, and all those things he wanted earlier. He just sobbed, I want my father and I want my mother. Means the things were useless now for him. He wanted only his parents. So, I hope you will have understood the story, and let us discuss some questions. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? On his way to the fair, he sees many things. He sees beauty of nature, butterflies, flowers, and he was attracted by those things. Now, why does the child lag behind? All the time the child lags behind because he stands near the stalls because he wants all those things to have them. Next, why does the child lose interest in the things that he wanted earlier? The things that he wanted earlier, now he did not have any interest. Why? Because his parents were more important for him. Okay? So, thank you children for watching the video.